हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। सो आई होप आप सभी लोग बहुत अच्छे होंगे और अपनी प्रिपरेशंस भी बहुत अच्छे से कर रहे होंगे अपकमिंग एग्जाम्स के लिए। सो जनवरी मंथ कंप्लीट हो चुका है एंड हम लोगों को अब जनवरी मंथ के करंट अफेयर्स को रिवाइज करना स्टार्ट कर देना चाहिए बिकॉज जनवरी मंथ को रेगुलरली हम लोग डेली करंट अफेयर्स हम पढ़ चुके हैं, बट अब टाइम है रिवीजन का। सो फॉर दैट आई एम ब्रिंगिंग अप सीरीज that is January month appointments. So I will make videos category wise, like appointments, after that banking and finance news, and after that obituaries and all, etc and etc. Okay. सो ये जो वीडियो सीरीज है बहुत हेल्पफुल रहने वाली है एंड ये पार्ट 1 है जिसमें हम फर्स्ट जनवरी से 10th जनवरी तक के अपॉइंटमेंट्स डिस्कस करने वाले हैं। ओके, सो इफ आई गेट गुड रिस्पांस फ्रॉम ऑल ऑफ यू ऑन दिस वीडियो, सो मैं आगे भी वीडियोस बनाऊंगी बिकॉज वीडियो बनाने में बहुत मेहनत लगती है गाइज, और अगर मुझे रिस्पांस नहीं मिलता तो मैं डिमोटिवेट हो जाती हूँ और मैं वीडियो बनाना बंद कर देती हूँ। तो अभी मैं ये जनवरी मंथ के अपॉइंटमेंट एक साथ हम लोग पढ़ेंगे पूरे मंथ के। सो आई विल ब्रिंग अप 3 videos, part 1, 2 and 3, in which I will cover 1st Jan to 10th January. This is in part 1, and in part 2nd we will discuss the appointments from 11th of January to 20th January. Okay, after that 21st January to 31st January we will cover in third part. Okay, सो दिस इज माई प्लान, बट ये जो प्लान है ये तभी एग्जीक्यूट हो पाएगा मेरा जब मुझे आप लोगों का अच्छे से सपोर्ट मिलेगा इन वीडियोस पे। ओके, ये सीरीज हमारे लिए बहुत ही ज्यादा हेल्पफुल रहने वाली है क्योंकि कोई भी एग्जाम के लिए आप करंट अफेयर्स पढ़ते हो तो आपको जनवरी से स्टार्ट करना पड़ता है, राइट? सो जनवरी, फरवरी, मार्च एंड अप्रैल, सो दिस इज द न्यू बिगनिंग एंड आप लास्ट ईयर के फेलियर्स को भूल जाइए, बट उन अपनी मिस्टेक्स से सीखिए कि आपने क्या मिस्टेक्स की थी। ओके, सो टाइम वेस्ट नहीं करना है। अगर हम डेली करंट अफेयर्स पढ़ते हैं लेकिन अगर हम रिवाइज नहीं करते हैं करंट अफेयर्स को तो हम भूल जाते हैं एग्जाम टाइम पे जब हम फिर से देखते हैं। इसलिए हमें एक मंथ कंप्लीट हुआ, उसके बाद में हमें एक वीक 2 वीक्स निकल जाने के बाद, नेक्स्ट मंथ के 2 वीक्स निकल जाने के बाद हमें प्रीवियस मंथ भी रिवाइज करना शुरू कर देना चाहिए, राइट? सो अब हम ये रिवीजन स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं। दिस इज द रिवीजन सीरीज एंड दिस इज पार्ट 1। सो स्टार्ट करते हैं वीडियो को, बट बिफोर गेटिंग इनटू द वीडियो आई वुड लाइक टू रिक्वेस्ट यू ऑल, प्लीज सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल एंड प्लीज शेयर दिस वीडियो एज मच एज पॉसिबल विद योर फ्रेंड्स। ओके, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट द वीडियो। दिस इज द फर्स्ट न्यूज, that is Vinay Kumar Tripathi appointed as the chairman and Chief Executive Officer of Railway Board. Okay, so Vinay Kumar Tripathi को रेलवे बोर्ड का चेयरमैन और सीईओ बनाया गया है। Okay, so who is the Vinay Kumar Tripathi? Vinay Kumar Tripathi is the person from the 1983 batch of Indian Railway Service of Electrical Engineers and has been appointed as the new chairman and chief executive officer of Railway Board with effect from January 1st, 2022. Okay, simple news hai. He is presently working as general manager, Northeastern Railway. Okay, so presently he is working means not presently. When his appointment was declared by the railway board, so that time he was working as the general manager in Northeastern Railway. Okay, and Indian Railway Board is the apex body of the Indian Railways, which reports to Parliament through the Ministry of Railways. Okay, so this news is all about the appointment of the Vinay Kumar Tripathi as the CEO and chairman of the Railway Board. Okay, I think this news is simple and it is clear to all of you. Okay, so now second news. So second news is VS Patania takes over as Director General of Indian Coast Guard. So VS Patania को इंडियन कोस्ट गार्ड का डायरेक्टर जनरल बनाया गया है। ओके, सो डायरेक्टर जनरल VS Patania took over as the 24th chief of Indian Coast Guard with effect from 31st December 2021. Okay, Sanjay Arora will hold additional charge as DG of Sashastra Seema Bal, that is SSB. ITBP Director General Sanjay Arora will hold the additional charge. Okay, so what is the news? Sanjay Arora. Okay, Sanjay Arora को additional charge दिया गया है. Additional charge means he is serving as an other post also, right? Additional charge means he is serving another post also, right? Another job also. So this is additional charge. So Sanjay Arora is ITBP General Director. Okay, Sanjay Arora is ITBP Director General. Okay, ये ITBP के डायरेक्टर जनरल भी हैं. ओके, एंड इनको एडिशनल चार्ज दिया गया है, इनको डायरेक्टर जनरल बना दिया गया है सशस्त्र सीमा बल का. ओके, so this is the additional charge. Another border guarding force Sashastra Seema Bal as the latter's chief Kumar Rajesh Chandra. Okay, latter's chief means जो सशस्त्र सीमा बल के जो चीफ थे राजेश चंद्र, कुमार राजेश चंद्र, उनको वो रिटायर हो चुके हैं 31 दिसंबर को. दैट्स व्हाई ये पोस्ट खाली थी, इस वजह से ये पोस्ट खाली ना रहे, इस वजह से संजय अरोड़ा को सशस्त्र सीमा बल का भी डायरेक्टर जनरल बना दिया गया है. और संजय अरोड़ा कौन है? संजय अरोड़ा आईटीबीपी के डायरेक्टर जनरल भी हैं. ओके, सो दिस इज अबाउट एसएसबी. एसएसबी इज फाउंडेड इन 1963 एंड हेडक्वार्टर्स ऑफ एसएसबी इन न्यू दिल्ली. ओके, नेक्स्ट, Amir Subhani appointed as new Chief Secretary of Bihar. Okay, so Amir Subhani को बिहार का new Chief Secretary बनाया गया है. And he will succeed, he will replace Tripurari Sharan. He will succeed Tripurari Sharan and who retired on December 31st, 2021. So Tripurari Sharan जो थे वो चीफ सेक्रेटरी थे बिहार के, लेकिन उनका रिटायरमेंट हो चुका है दिसंबर 31 को. दैट्स व्हाई आमिर सुबहानी को अपॉइंट किया गया है चीफ सेक्रेटरी ऑफ बिहार. ओके, एंड इससे पहले जब त्रिपुरारी शरण चीफ सेक्रेटरी थे बिहार के, उस टाइम जो आमिर सुबहानी थे, उस टाइम आमिर सुबहानी कौन थे? बिहार डेवलपमेंट कमिश्नर. ओके, ही वाज सर्विंग एज बिहार्स डेवलपमेंट कमिश्नर एंड ही विल रिटायर इन अप्रैल 2024. ओके, सो अभी ये न्यूज क्या है? सो द समरी ऑफ दिस न्यूज इज त्रिपुरारी शरण बिहार के चीफ सेक्रेटरी थे जो दिसंबर 31 को रिटायर हो गए. दैट्स व्हाई जो आमिर सुबहानी थे उनको क्या बना दिया गया? चीफ सेक्रेटरी बना दिया गया बिहार का. लेकिन जो आमिर सुबहानी थे वो बिहार के डेवलपमेंट कमिश्नर थे, राइट? ही वाज सर्विंग एज बिहार डेवलपमेंट कमिश्नर. सो अब जो पोस्ट है डेवलपमेंट कमिश्नर की वो खाली हो गई. सो दैट्स व्हाई अब किसको बना दिया? अतुल प्रसाद. he is the one now who has appointed as the development commissioner, okay, of Bihar, right? So now development commissioner कौन है बिहार का? अतुल प्रसाद. In this news we have discussed 2 appointments and 1 retirement, right? So Tripurari Sharan, who has retired from the post of chief secretary of Bihar, and second one Amir Subhani has appointed the chief secretary of Bihar, and after that Atul Prasad has appointed development commissioner of Bihar. क्योंकि जो आमिर सुबहानी थे उनकी पोस्ट क्या थी? डेवलपमेंट कमिश्नर की, जो खाली हो गई, उसकी वजह से अतुल प्रसाद को बिहार का डेवलपमेंट कमिश्नर बना दिया गया. आई थिंक इट्स क्लियर टू ऑल ऑफ यू. ओके, नेक्स्ट न्यूज. Okay, so first of all we will discuss about Bihar. This is the information about Bihar. So capital of Bihar is Patna. Chief Minister of Bihar is Nitish Kumar and Governor of Bihar is Fagu Chauhan. Okay, so this is the static news about Bihar state. Okay, now next news. Anupam Ray has appointed as India's permanent representative at UN conference on disarmament. Okay, so Anupam Ray, this is the appointment of Anupam Ray, and he is appointed as the India's permanent representative at UN Conference on Disarmament. So he is currently serving as the Joint Secretary in Ministry of External Affairs, that is MEA. Okay, so he is serving as Joint Secretary in Ministry of External Affairs, and he replaced Dr. Pankaj Sharma. Dr. Pankaj Sharma has been appointed as the next ambassador of India to Mexico. Now again, this is the chain. Okay, this is the chain of news. Okay, so पंकज शर्मा कौन थे? पहले पंकज शर्मा थे यूएन कॉन्फ्रेंस के परमानेंट रिप्रेजेंटेटिव थे इंडिया से. ओके, नाउ पंकज शर्मा को मैक्सिको का नेक्स्ट एम्बेसडर बना दिया. पंकज शर्मा को क्या बना दिया? मैक्सिको का एम्बेसडर. सो जो पोस्ट थी इंडिया के रिप्रेजेंटेटिव की यूएन कॉन्फ्रेंस में वो खाली हो गई. दैट्स व्हाई अनुपम रे को क्या बना दिया गया? India's permanent representative at UN conference. Okay. Now about United Nations, that is founded in 24th October 1945. Okay, and headquarters in New York, and the headquarters of UN is in New York, and Secretary General of this is Antonio Guterres. Okay. Next news is Balachandran appointed as the next High Commissioner of India to Barbados. Okay, so this is the simple news. Balachandran appointed as the next High Commissioner of India to Barbados. So about Barbados, this is the static information about Barbados. That is, capital is Bridgetown, currency dollar, and continent North America. Next news. Oil and Natural Gas Corporation, that is ONGC, has appointed Alka Mittal as its first women chairman and managing director. Okay, chairman and managing director, that is CMD. Okay, so Alka Mittal को Oil and Natural Gas Corporation, that is ONGC ने Alka Mittal को ONGC ने अपना CMD बनाया. और Alka Mittal किसको रिप्लेस करेंगे? सुभाष कुमार को. Alka Mittal किसको रिप्लेस करेंगी? सुभाष कुमार को. Okay, सुभाष कुमार. Now this is the starting news, starting information about ONGC. So headquarters of ONGC is in Vasant Kunj, New Delhi, and CEO is Subhash Kumar. Okay, so Subhash Kumar has become CEO, and now CMD is now Alka Mittal. Got it? Next news is Vinny Mahajan assumes charge as Secretary मिनिस्टर ऑफ जल शक्ति. सो मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ जल शक्ति ने अपना सेक्रेटरी बनाया है किसको? विनी महाजन को. सो दिस इज द न्यूज अबाउट मिनिस्टर ऑफ जल शक्ति. सो हु इज द मिनिस्टर ऑफ जल शक्ति? ही इज गजेंद्र सिंह शेखावत. ओके, सो मिनिस्टर ऑफ जल शक्ति इज गजेंद्र सिंह शेखावत. ओके, next, G. Ashok Kumar took over as the new Director General for the National Mission for Clean Ganga and NMCG, Ministry of Jal Shakti. So Ministry of Jal Shakti का एक मिशन है, that is National Mission for Clean Ganga, that is NMCG. Okay, and इसका Director General बनाया गया है G. Ashok Kumar को. Okay, so G. Ashok Kumar को Ministry of Jal Shakti ने इनके मिशन Clean Ganga के लिए जी अशोक कुमार को अपना डायरेक्टर जनरल बनाया है. Okay, so about NMCG, it was launched to reduce pollution and ensure rejuvenation of Ganga River, along with the improvement in ecology and biodiversity. Okay. Okay, so next news. Indian origin Ashok Elluswamy was the first employee to be hired for Tesla's. So Tesla founder and CEO Elon Musk, who has been using social media to recruit people, has disclosed that the Indian origin Ashok Elluswamy was the first employee to be hired for his electric vehicle company's autopilot team. Okay, so Elon Musk ने Ashok Elluswamy को उसके इलेक्ट्रिक व्हीकल कंपनी के लिए ऑटो पायलट टीम के लिए फर्स्ट एम्प्लॉय अपॉइंट किया है. Right, so this is about Tesla, founded in July 2003, and CEO Elon Musk, headquarters in Austin, Texas, US. Okay, next news is Prashant Ranjan appointed as the director in Ministry of Tourism. Okay, this is the simple news. Who has been appointed as the director in Ministry of Tourism? Prashant Ranjan. So Prashant Ranjan को Ministry of Tourism ने अपना director appoint किया है, right? So this is the information about Ministry of Tourism. So Union Minister is G Kishan Reddy. So this G Kishan Reddy is the Minister of Tourism, and Minister of State is Shripad Naik and Ajay Bhatt. Okay. Next news. Kutil Variam Ajit, Indian Supply Service Officer of 2009 batch, has been appointed as Deputy Secretary in Ministry of Defence under Central Staffing Scheme. Okay, and his tenure will be for a period of 4 years from the date of taking over charge of the post or until further orders, whichever is earlier. Okay, so Kutil Variam Ajit को क्या अपॉइंट किया है? डिप्टी सेक्रेटरी इन मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ डिफेंस अंडर सेंट्रल स्टाफिंग स्कीम. ओके, CSS. So the tenure is for 4 years or further orders, until further orders. Okay, whichever is earlier, right? Next news. Atul Keshav appointed as President of US India Business Council. So US India Business Council USIBC का president किसको appoint किया गया है? अतुल केशव को. So he is Indian origin American. Okay, he is Indian origin American diplomat. Atul Keshav has been appointed as the president of US India Business Council by the US Chambers of Commerce. Okay, now Atul Keshav will replace Nisha Desai Biswal. So the USIBC represents top global companies operating across the United States, India, and the Indo-Pacific. Okay. So अतुल केशव को क्या बनाया गया है? USIBC ने अपना प्रेसिडेंट अपॉइंट किया है. Okay. अतुल केशव को USIBC ने अपना प्रेसिडेंट अपॉइंट किया है. Next news. Tata Power appoints Sanjeev Churiwala as its new chief financial officer, and he will succeed Ramesh Subramaniam. So Tata Powers ने संजीव चूरीवाला को अपना CFO अपॉइंट किया है, and he will succeed Ramesh Subramaniam. Okay. Next news. Bank of Baroda ropes Shefali Verma as a brand endorser. Okay, Shefali Verma को Bank of Baroda ने अपना brand endorser बनाया है. Right. Next news. T.S. Trimurti, India's permanent representative to UN. So who is T.S. Trimurti? India's permanent representative to UN, means United Nations, has appointed as the chair of the UN Security Council Counter-Terrorism Committee for 2022. So T.S. Trimurti को UN Security Council for Counter-Terrorism ने अपना chairman appoint किया है for the year 2022. Okay, so he will chair the committee, right? So it must be remembered that India has assumed the chairmanship of the United Nations Security Council's Counter-Terrorism Committee for 1 year, beginning for January 1, 2022. Okay, so India chair करेगा. Okay, India के पास chairmanship है for the 1 year UNSCCTC की. Okay, so T.S. तिरुमूर्ति को उसका chairman appoint किया गया है India की तरफ से, right? Next news. Jiang Ming takes over as the new Secretary General of SCO with effect from 1st January for 3 years. Okay, so he succeeded Vladimir Norov, former diplomat from Uzbekistan, and India took the presidency of SCO for the period of 2022 to 23. So this is the simple news as that Jiang Ming को SCO का Secretary General बनाया गया है. Okay. Now about SCO, that is Shanghai Cooperation Organization. So headquarters of SCO in Beijing, China, and it was founded in 2001 on 15th June. And there are 8 membering countries, that are China, Russia, Kazakhstan, Kyrgyzstan, Tajikistan, and Uzbekistan, India, and Pakistan. Okay, so India joined along with Pakistan in 2017 as a full member, but was observer since 2005. Okay. Next news. Government reappoints Vijay Paul Sharma as CACP chairman. Okay, so this is the news about reappointment of Vijay Paul Sharma as CACP chairman. Now we will discuss about CACP. Establishment in 1965 as Agricultural Prices Commission and was given its present name in 1985. Okay, so it was established in 1965 and in 1965 when it was established, इसका नाम क्या था? Agricultural Prices Commission, and अब इसका नाम क्या है? CACP, and ये जो नाम है ये कब दिया गया था? 1985 में. So it is a decentralized agency to recommend minimum support prices (MSPs) and to motivate farmers to adopt the latest technology. Okay. Next news. OPEC appointed Kuwaiti oil executive Haitham Al-Ghais as its new Secretary General, as demand for oil continues to improve amid a mild recovery from the coronavirus pandemic. Okay, so OPEC ने Haitham Al-Ghais को अपना न्यू सेक्रेटरी जनरल अपॉइंट किया है, राइट? सो दिस इज द सिंपल न्यूज, दैट इज OPEC अपॉइंटेड Haitham Al-Ghais as its new secretary general. Okay, about OPEC, the full form of OPEC is Organization of the Petroleum Exporting Countries, and the headquarters of OPEC is in Vienna, Austria, and there is 13 membering states, and it was established in 1961. Next news. RBI approves reappointment. So this is the news of reappointment of Anup Bagchi as ED of ICICI Bank for the period of 3 years. Okay, so RBI approves reappointment of Anup Bagchi. So Anup Bagchi को ICICI Bank का ED बनाया गया है फिर से कितने साल के लिए? 3 years के लिए. Okay, so ICICI Bank has 2 more executive directors. Okay, executive directors Sandeep Batra and Vishakha Mule. Okay, so there are 3 executive directors in ICICI Bank: Sandeep Batra, Vishakha Mule, and third one is Anup Bagchi. So about ICICI Bank, MD and CEO of ICICI Bank is Sandeep Bagchi. Tagline of ICICI Bank is "हम है ना ख्याल आपका." There are 2 taglines of ICICI Bank, "हम है ना" and "ख्याल आपका," and headquarters of ICICI Bank is in Mumbai. Okay. Next news. Navrang Saini further gets additional charge as IBBI chairperson. Okay, Indian Bankruptcy Board of India. So Indian Bankruptcy Board of India ने किसको? नवरंग सैनी को अपना chairperson appoint किया है. Okay. Next. Justice Aisha Malik to be Pakistan's first women Supreme Court judge. So पाकिस्तान ने अपनी first female women Supreme Court judge appoint की है, उनका नाम है Aisha Malik. Next news. To promote women's empowerment, Legend League Cricket means LLC has appointed cricketer Jhulan Goswami as an ambassador. Okay, so women empowerment को support करने के लिए LLC ने झूलन गोस्वामी को अपना brand ambassador appoint किया है. LLC also appoints all women match official team for the league that includes ICC empaneled female umpires and match referees from all across the world. Okay, so the most important points in these news are: to promote women's empowerment, women empowerment को promote करने के लिए LLC ने झूलन गोस्वामी को अपना brand ambassador appoint किया है, and LLC ने all women match official team ये league शुरू की है, right? जिसमें Chandra Fritz from South Africa will be the match referee for the entire league. That's it. Okay. Next news. The dentist and epidemiologist Maria Elisa Quinters को. Next news. The Constitutional Convention of Child, okay, Constitutional Convention of Child elected as its new president the dentist and epidemiologist Maria Elisa Quinters after 9 rounds of voting reported. Okay, so Maria Elisa Quinters को the Constitutional Convention of Child ने अपना new president elect किया है. Okay, this is the simple this is the news in simple words that Maria Elisa Quinters को Constitutional Convention of Child ने अपना न्यू प्रेसिडेंट इलेक्ट किया है. Okay, and she will replace Mapich Academia Elisa Longcon. Okay, so these are the appointments from 1st January to 10th of January, and if I get a good response from you all, so I will bring next parts also. So please, I would like to request you all, please subscribe my channel and support my channel, and please share this video to your friends, okay, who are preparing for competitive exams. It will be helpful for them. And also please support me by sharing this video and subscribe my channel. Okay, thank you everyone and have a nice day. Thank you.